Hello everyone, here we are again for another session of Seller's Choice Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use and navigate Seller's Dash. We are very excited to introduce you our new monitoring tool built for your convenience. The Seller's Choice Dashboard Library, or Seller's Dash, is an all-in-one reports database on where you can view your reports and compare data on how your e-commerce store is performing. Here's a quick walkthrough on how to use and navigate Seller's Dash. So let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Log into your account at dashboard.sellerschoice.digital/login. What we need to do here is to add a dashboard. To add one, click the Seller's Dash section on the left side. The dashboard page is where you can see all the dashboards that are available for your viewing. To add a dashboard, click the expand icon on the right side, just in line with your chosen dashboard. You should see that the dashboard that you have opened will have its own section on the left. For Google Ads dashboard, you can select the start and end dates for the reports that you wanted to view. After you have selected the end date, the dashboard will auto-refresh and it should give you the reports that you need for the chosen dates. Google Ads dashboard will give you reports for advertised sales, advertising cost of sales, CPA, orders, conversion rate, CPC, CTR, clicks, and impression. If you wanted to add a new dashboard, repeat what we did earlier in adding our first dashboard. Click the Seller's Dash section on the left side and click the expand icon on the right side, just in line with the chosen dashboard. The Google Analytics dashboard will show you the demographics of your website visitors. It will also show you the users per region, your top pages, the device used to view your pages, your traffic source, and many more. On the Social Ads dashboard, you will see your sales, cost, ACOS, impressions, and page likes. For Amazon marketing, you need to select the start and end dates because the default dashboard is blank. Same with the Google Ads, it'll auto-refresh and you can now view the reports that you've chosen. Almost all of the metrics that you need from Amazon is here. This consists of your total revenue, sales, advertising sales, and etc. It even has the statistics about the top searches. Please be advised that if you're missing a data or report that you need to see, don't hesitate to let us know so we can add it for you. You can also contact your account manager anytime. You should see all of the open dashboards on the left side. You can easily switch between dashboards by clicking the dashboard's name. If you wanted to do a full screen mode of the dashboard, click the full screen button on top. You can also switch between dashboards by clicking the drop-down located on top. If you also wanted to minimize or quit the full screen mode, click the minimize icon located on the top right of the screen. You can also switch themes. Just click the theme icon on the left side. You can choose between dark or light theme. If you are on full screen mode, the theme icon is located on the top right beside the minimize icon. Click the gray comment icon located on the top right corner of the reports. Then, click the Add a Comment button and type your comment. Just click Save to register the comment. Your account manager will be able to view your comment after you've placed it. To download your reports, click the menu just beside the dashboard name on the left. Then select Download As on the drop-down. Select the type of file that you want to download. Select the layout of your paper. It is up to you if you wanted to include comments, or have a larger image, or include a date or timestamp. Just click the download button below to start the download process. Once it's finished downloading, you can now view your data. If you want to remove a dashboard, just click the menu just beside the dashboard name on the left, then select Close Dashboard on the drop-down. Lastly, if you want to sign out, just click your name located at the bottom left of the page and select Sign Out on the options. So those are the things that you need to know in navigating your seller's dash. Don't hesitate to let us know if you need help with the reports. Just click the help icon on the dashboard anytime and we will be more than happy to help you out. Just so you know that we have a lot of tutorials and webinars on bits of advice on how to run and the applicable techniques for your e-commerce business. You can always visit our site at sellerschoice.agency and browse through our huge compilations of webinars, tutorials, and blogs. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. See you soon!